As anticipated with each major Apple release, a number of new features have been rumored for the iPhone 15, which includes a USB-C port action button, improved camera array, and more. Apple is rumored to be replacing the mute switch on the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max with an improved solid-state action button. According to the leaks we've heard so far, the action button will continue to be able to switch your phone's ringer on and off, just like the mute switch, but you'll also be able to program the button to perform a variety of other functions, such as activating Do Not Disturb mode or low power mode, and more. Apple is expected to replace its proprietary Lightning charging connector with a standard USB-C 1 port on the iPhone 15 series, a long-requested change prompted by new EU regulations. Force Apple to adopt the USB-C port by the close of 2024. Just this week, leaked images of the iPhone 15 USB-C port revealed another noteworthy upgrade: Thunderbolt connectivity, which could provide much faster potential data transfer speeds to iPhone users. Thunderbolt over USB-C supports up to 40 gigabits per second compared to the USB 2.0 480 megabits per second speed cap on Lightning and the 10 gigabits baseline for USB-C, which could make the iPhone 15 the most powerful smartphone ever. Next is the new periscope zoom camera. Rumor has it that the 15 Pro Max will get an exclusive feature not seen on other iPhone 15 models, a new periscope telephoto camera that allows for as much as twice the optical zoom of the 14 Pro Max. Tipster claimed the periscope mechanism, which enables Apple to pack a more powerful zoom lens into the iPhone's slim body, will permit up to 5x or 6x magnification. Next is the new Dynamic Island. The Dynamic Island is one of the iPhone's latest and most novel features, replacing the notch with a more streamlined way for users to access notifications and many players. When it launched with the iPhone 14, Apple bound it to the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.